Hi friends, this video shows how to restart TV using remote control. So I am going to restart this TV using its remote control. This is a remote control. Just press and hold this power button. Press and hold power button. See, now TV is restarting. Now I can release it. Done. So this way we can easily restart Samsung TV using remote control. See. So let me try one more time. Just press and hold power button. Now I can release. See, it's restarting. Please wait. Okay, done. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe my channel. Please like and share the video.